أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Alhamdulillah by Allah's grace and fadl we are in the class number 112. Alhamdulillah we are going to study and continue lesson number 1 of Duroos volume 3. Let's get started. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تمارين عين المعرب والمبني فيما يأتي. Find out or specify المعرب and مبني what follows. So now we are able to find out which one is معرب and which one is مبني. Kitabun is معرب because it will be declining in all three cases. Kitabun, kitaban and kitabin. So kitabun is معرب. هذا مبني. حامد معرب. مساجد معرب. هو مبني. أنا مبني. سيارة معرب. الذي مبني. أمسي مبني. الجامعة معرب. مسلمان معرب. مسلمات معرب. هذاني. So again هذاني will change to هذين. So it is معرب. الآن مبني. اللتاني becomes اللتيني when it is mansub, so it is معرب changeable. من مبني. الله معرب. أربعة عشرة that is مبني because in مرفوع case is أربعة عشرة, even منصوب أربعة عشرة and مجرور أربعة عشرة. Okay, so أربعة عشرة is your مبني and أربعة that is معرب and آمين اسم فاعل that is مبني. ما علامات الإعراب الأصلية في الاسم. What are the primary endings in the noun? What are the primary endings? Very simple question. Marfu, mansub, majrur. Fatha, kasra, dam. Dam, rafa, noun rafa, denoting rafa, it is said to be is marfu. And fatha representing mansub and jar representing majrur. These are alamat al-i'rab al-asliya in the noun fil ism. Okay, so Dr. Fahasab has given here in the textbook the primary endings. We have all nouns are the Arabic nouns are declinable. They indicate the function in the sentence by their endings. These endings are three. They are Dhamma to indicate the nominative case. A noun with this ending is called marfu. Number two, the fatha to indicate the accusative case and nasab. A noun with this ending is called mansub. The kasra to indicate the genitive case, jar. A noun with this ending is called majrur. So examples are dakhal al-mudarrisu, where al-mudarrisu is marfu because it is fa'il. Sa'altu al-mudarrisa is mansub because it is maf'ulun bihi. Hadihi sayyaratul mudarrisi, whereas mudarrisi is majrurun because it is mudaf ilayhi. Now these endings, dhamma, fatha and kasra, are called the primary endings. Alamatu al-i'rabi al-asliya. Okay. So there is the answer for your question. Ma alamat al-i'rabi al-asliyatu fil ism. Number 3, ma alamatul i'rab al-far'iyatu fi. What are the secondary endings in al-asma al-khamsa wa jam' al-mudhakkar salim wal muthanna? So let's list out what are the alamat al-i'rab al-far'iyya in these three cases which have been listed out here. Al-asma al-khamsa, number 1. What are the secondary endings? When you look at al-asma al-khamsa, abun, akhun, amun, famun, So answer to the question 3A, that is Asmal al-Khamsa. The 5 nouns Asmal al-Khamsa, these are Abun, Akhun, Hamun, Famu, Zu. These nouns take the secondary endings only when they are mudaf. The mudaf ilayhi is not the pronoun of the first person singular. In this group, the rafi ending is waw, the nasab ending is alif, and the jar ending is ya. Example, Madha Qala Abu Bilalin. So, not Abu, not it is Abu with the waw, not Abu. Arif Abba Bilalin, I know Bilal's father. Note it is Abba with an alif, not Abba. Zahabtu ila Abi Bilalin, I went to Bilal's father. Note it is Abi with ya, not Abi. Clear? Okay. Therefore, the mudaf ilayhi can be a pronoun. أين ذهب أخوك ما رأيت أخاك ما اسمه أخيك. If the mudaf ilayhi is the pronoun of the first person singular, the noun remains unchanged. Example, يدرس أخي بالجامعة. تعرف أخي خذ العنوان من أخي. So here you don't find there waw or alif or yeah, because it is mudaf ilayhi is the pronoun of the first person singular. So the noun remains unchanged. So please make a note of this and let's move on to next. ما علامة الإعراب في الفرعية في جمع المذكر السالم. Again, when you say المسلمون, wow is a sign of ism marfu. And when you say muslimina, ya is a sign of mansub. And again, muslimina is a ya is the sign of being majrur. Again, yes. So answer to the question, the sound masculine plural, Jam Mudhakkar Salim, this group has una as rafi ending and ina as the nasab and jar ending. Dakhal al-mudarrisun al-fasl, where waw mudarrisun is fa'il and it is marfu. Ma sa'altu al-mudarrisina, I did not ask the teachers. Mudarrisina is mansubun, alamatu nasbihi al-ya. Aina ghurfatul mudarrisina, where is the teacher's room, where al-mudarrisina is mudaf ilayhi majrurun and ya is the sign of majrur. Okay. Next, al-musanna. What is the ma alamatul i'rab al-far'iyya fi al-musanna? Again, muslimani, alif is a sign of marfu. Muslimaini, alif is a sign of, ya is a sign of mansub and majrur. Dual form takes Ani as a rafi ending and Aini as an nasab and jar ending. Example, Ja al-mudarrisani al-jadidani. Mudarrisani. Ra'aytu al-mudarrisaini al-jadidaini. As'alu anil mudarrisaini al-jadidaini. Clear? Okay. Next, number 4th question. Ma alamatul jarri fi al-mamnu min as-sarfi. What is the sign of jar in mamnu min as-sarf? So that's very simple. Again, this has clearly given there. In marfu, you say talk about Ibrahim, Ibrahimu. In mansub is Ra'aytu Ibrahim, Ja Ibrahimu, Ibrahim came. Ra'aytu Ibrahim, I saw Ibrahim. Sallamtu ala Ibrahim. Again, when you add ala preposition, Ibrahim takes fatha instead of kasra because it is mamnu min as-sarf. That should be noted. Okay. Next, ma alamatul nasbi fi jamil muannas salim. What is the alamat nasab? The nasab ending in sound feminine plural. So dear siblings and participants, you know very well when jamil muannas salim, the feminine plural, sound feminine plural comes in the position of mansub, it takes kasra instead of fatha. Okay. The easy example from the Holy Quran and the example is given by Fasa. Khalaqallahu samawati wal arda. Khalaqallahu, khalaqa is a fa'il, Allah is a fa'il, as-samawati is a plural but it takes kasra because that is a rule that we have. And wal arda, you see wal arda, it takes fatha, maf'ulun bihi. So samawati is maf'ul bihi, but it is given the kasra because that is the alamatul nasab fi jami al muannas salim. That is a sign of that is the ending of nasab in sound feminine plural. Number 6. Hati mithalan lil maqsuri. Bring an example for maqsur. وجعله في ثلاث جمل على أن يكون مرفوعا في الأولى ومنصوبا في الثانية ومجرورا في الثالثة. And make it in 3 sentences wherein it should be marfu in the first sentence and mansub in the second sentence and majrur in the third sentence. Yeah. So it comes under al-i'rab taqdiri and it is your maqsur. Yes. One simple example that has been given by Dr. Fahasa over here. قتل الفتى الأفعال بالعصا. Well, قتل is a fail, al-fata is a fa'il, al-afa is maf'ul bihi, bil-asa is jamil. Okay. This is the best example that I have, and when you compare with the regular nouns, you can see قتل الولد الحية بالعود. قتل is a fi'l, al-waladu is a fa'il, al-hayyata is maf'ul bihi, bil-'udi is jar majrur. So what happens when you have words like words ending with al-maqsur, we don't find there the endings. Instead, we understand, we recognize them. Okay, fine. Next, again, it is left to you. You should, when you write the homework, try to get one maqsur noun and make 3 sentences by using as one is as marfu and using as mansub and using as majrur form. Okay, number 7. هات مثال المنقوص الثابت الياء وادخله في 3 جمل على أن يكون مرفوعا في الأولى والمنصوبا في الثانية ومجرورا في الثالثة. Okay, the same scenario for manqus as well. The manqus, it is a noun ending in an original ya. As we say as al-ya as-sabit. As-sabit al-ya, the original ya. Example, al-qadi, the judge, al-muhami, the advocate, al-jani, the culprit. In this group, the u and the marfu and the majrur are latent. It is taqdiri. But the a ending, mansub endings appears. So we have already learned many times. See as al-qadi al-muhamiyya and al-jani. Well, qadi is fa'il marfu, but it does not show its vowels in over there. And al-jani is majrurun because it comes after an. Again, it does not show its sign over there. Only the mansub al-muhamiyya where muhamiyya takes fataha. That is visible. Okay, the judge asked the lawyer about the culprit. Here al-qadi, which is marfu, and jani, which is majrur. But they have no ending. But al-muhami, which is mansub, has fatah ending. Clear? So based on this, you need to create with original ya, and you should make as marfu form and mansub form and majrur form. Number 8. Hati misalin al-manqusi al-mahzuf al-ya. We have to bring here one more manqus where ya is dropped. وَدَخِلُهُ فِي ثَلَاثِ الْجُمَلِ, and you will have to enter in 3 sentences عَلَى يَكُونَ مَرْفُوعًا, where it has to be brought as marfu in the first sentence, and mansuban in the second sentence, and majrur in the third sentence. So here the example is given there. Where ya is dropped. Yeah. this. If the manqus takes the tanween, loses the terminal ya. Example qadin, which was originally qadiyun. After the loss of the marfu ending, the ya, it became qadin. Qadiyun becomes qadin. The ya, however, returns in the accusative case. Example, see here, hada qadin. What happens when you mention qadi without alif lam? Then ya is dropped, and the vowels of the last letter takes double kasra. Because it's originally qadiyun. When you drop ya, it loses. The tanween loses, and it goes to the previous letter takes double kasra. The same case to be followed for majrur rasul hada baitu qadin, where baitu is mudaf and qadin is mudaf lay. Again qadiyin, originally it is qadiyin, but the ya is not written along with its vowel sign, and the previous letter takes double kasra. But when you see in mansub form, sa'altu qadiyan, where the ya is retained, and it takes the actual position of the mansub form. Sa'altu qadiyan, I asked the judge. I asked the judge, where you can see qadiyan. Okay. Note that the ya of the manqus is retained only in the following three cases. If it has a definite article, when you have alif lam, then ya is retained. Al qadi, al wadi, al muhami. Please mudaf, example qadi Makkah, when it becomes mudaf, then this ya is visible. Qadi of Makkah, muhami difa, defense lawyer, wadi al aqiq, the valley of aqiq. But if it is mansub, example abratu wadiyan, I cross a valley, sa'altu qadiyan, I asked the judge, uridu thaniyan, I want a second. Clear? Hope this gives us a clear point on how to use ism manqus.